2026 Nissan Patrol Y63, details. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Y63 marks a bold new chapter for the legendary SUV, blending modern luxury with rugged performance. With a complete redesign, advanced safety features and a powerful new engine, this SUV is built to dominate both city streets and off-road trails. Nissan has aimed to redefine what premium off-road driving feels like in this latest generation. Exterior part. The exterior of the 2026 Patrol Y63 is aggressive and sophisticated. The bold front grille is wider and more prominent, flanked by sleek LED headlamps with signature DRLs. The new body lines are muscular, giving it a commanding road presence, while improved aerodynamics enhance overall performance. It rides on large alloy wheels and features integrated roof rails and chrome accents for a premium finish. Interior part. Inside the Y63 you'll find a luxurious cabin equipped with the latest technology and refined materials. The dashboard is dominated by a dual-screen infotainment and digital driver display system. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, wood grain trim and ventilated leather seats elevate the interior to new levels of comfort and style. Wireless charging, a premium sound system and multi-zone climate control round out the high-end interior features. Comfort level. Nissan has prioritized passenger comfort with increased legroom and improved seat design. The suspension system has been tuned to absorb harsh terrain while maintaining cabin stability. Noise insulation has been upgraded, creating a quiet and serene driving experience. Both front and rear passengers enjoy generous space, making long journeys smooth and relaxing. Performance. The Patrol Y63 delivers a robust performance package. It comes with a new V6 twin-turbo engine paired with an intelligent 4WD system. Drive modes allow the driver to switch between highway cruising and off-road dominance seamlessly. The transmission is smooth and responsive, offering both manual and automatic modes. Improved suspension articulation and ground clearance make this SUV highly capable in demanding environments. Conclusion. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Y63 is a luxury SUV that doesn't compromise on performance. It's powerful, refined and packed with features that cater to modern drivers. Whether you're tackling off-road adventures or cruising city roads, this SUV ensures a balanced experience of power, comfort and technology. It's a solid upgrade over its predecessor and sets a new benchmark in its segment. Engine performance. Under the hood, the Y63 houses a new 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo engine replacing the older V8. This engine delivers over 400 horsepower and improved torque while maintaining better fuel efficiency. It's engineered for both towing strength and smooth acceleration. Combined with the intelligent 4WD and terrain management system, this engine ensures the Patrol remains a dominant force on and off the road.